Hello everyone, this is Glaze. If you're new to this channel and want to learn English, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified and for more videos. Silent T after N. The T after an N is often silent in American pronunciation. Instead of saying internet, Americans will frequently say internet. Let's practice and repeat after me. Interview, center, international, internet, 20, counter. I'll be disappointed if they don't call me for an interview. When T is between two vowels. When a T is between two vowels, it is generally pronounced like a fast D sound. A T becomes a fast D sound in the following cases. First, between two vowels. For example, we don't say better, we say better. Second, before an L. For example, we don't say little, we say little. Third is after an R and a vowel. For example, we don't say party, we say party. That's all for now, guys. See you again on my next video. If you want more English lessons, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.